Good morning students, welcome to the maths class, and in maths our chapter 2 is going on, that is subtraction. And in subtraction today we are going to do a topic subtraction facts. So what is our topic? Our topic is subtraction facts. So to introduce the subtraction facts, I have been draw some pictures here. So first we will learn subtraction facts by the picture. So here are 6 ice cream in the cloud, and from these 6 ice creams 3 ice cream has gone, चली गई है. So we will write here 6 ice cream minus 3 ice cream. So अब माइनस करेंगे तो क्या होगा हमारा, 6 में से 3 हमें माइनस करना है. So how many ice creams we have, अब हमारे पास कितनी बची होंगी. Suppose करो these 3 has gone, 1 2 3. These 3 has gone, so how many is left? 1 2 3. So we will draw here 3 ice creams. So 6 ice cream minus 3 ice cream will be 3 ice cream. तो अब ये fact कैसे, how we will write it? We can write it at 2 types. Just first we will write it 6 ice creams minus 3 ice creams is 3 ice creams. Okay, this is the fact. 6 ice creams minus 3 ice creams is 3 ice cream. तो ये fact है इसका. And another one, and how we will write in the second manner. In the second manner we will write it like 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. You can also write this in this manner. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Okay बेटा, next fact देखिए. next fact क्या है subtraction का हमारा. So we have 6 ice cream. So now what we will do, because we have to minus 3, so we will keep here 3, 1 2 3, and we will put sign of minus here. Now 6 minus 3 will be how many? 3. So 1 2 3. So that is another fact कि जब भी आप माइनस करते हो we have to keep greater number up and the smaller number below the greater number. So this is another fact. Now we will talk about fact of 0. आप इसको इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं कि we can also write them in as a number 6 minus 3. Because 6 is greater and 3 is smaller, so we can write 6 minus 3. So answer will be 3. In numbers we write like this. And now we will talk about the fact of 0. 0 के फैक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे कि जब आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो 0 को किसी नंबर से, तो what will be the answer, what is the fact about 0. So just I'm taking another picture. Okay. So here I have taken some stars. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 7 stars, and now we are going to minus here. Put the sign of minus. Now 7 star minus. Is there any star here? No, nothing. So nothing means 0. So 7 star minus 0 star. So what will be the answer here? So have a look. If we are not going to minus any star from it, so the answer will be same the number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. अगर आप 7 में से एक भी स्टार नहीं लेते हो, you take 0, so your answer will be 7 here. So this is fact about 0 कि आप किसी भी नंबर से 0 को माइनस करते हो तो आंसर आपका क्या होगा, सेम नंबर. And in number we can see here 7 minus 0 will be 7. So this is a fact about 0. Now we'll know this fact by. Okay students, now we will look at the board. So we will use our numbers to subtract, to know the subtraction fact. So we have to minus 6 from 8. 8 में से हमें 6 माइनस करना है, तो आप ऐसे भी माइनस कर सकते हो, बट बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग सब्ट्रैक्शन फैक्ट, सो वी विल राइट द नंबर 1 above below. So 8 is greater number, so we are going to write it at above, and 6 is smaller, so we will write here 6, and we have to put minus because this is a fact. आप smaller number को ऊपर रख के माइनस नहीं कर सकते हो, so you have to keep bigger number at the top. So now we will minus 8 minus 6. So 8 minus 6 will be 2. Now we can also write here 8 minus 6 is 2. Now next fact, we have to minus 1 from 6. 6 में से आपको 1 minus करना है, so we will write the numbers. Which number will be at the top? 6. We'll write here 6 because 1 is smaller, so we will keep it below the 6, and now we are going to minus 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. We will also write here 5. 5 is the answer. Now next number C is 10 minus 0. We have to minus 0 from 10. So just we will write it. 10 is bigger, so we'll write it upside, and 0 is smaller, so we'll write it here and put the sign of minus. So 10 minus 0 will be 10, because 0 की कोई यहाँ पर वो नहीं है, वैल्यू नहीं है. 0 आप जिस भी नंबर से माइनस करोगे सेम नंबर आपका वापस आता है, so that's why answer is 10. So 10 minus 0 is 10. So students, now you will open your course book and we will do our let's try 2. So just open. Okay students, so now we will do our let's try 2. Let's try 2 देखिए क्या करना है हमें. Read these statements and fill in the boxes. Here are some statements which we have to read, and after that we have to fill the boxes. So we will start with first statement. Roshan has 9 paper boats. रोशन के पास 9 पेपर बोट्स हैं. रेशमा टेक्स 4 पेपर बोट्स. रेशमा ने उससे 4 पेपर बोट्स ले ली. सो नाउ हाउ मैनी बोट्स डज रोशन हैव नाउ. अब आपको बताना है कि अब जो रोशन है उसके पास कितनी बोट्स बची हैं. मीन्स टोटल बोट्स उसके पास कितनी थी, 9, और उसमें से रेशमा ने कितनी ली, 4 ली. सो हम क्या करेंगे, हम उसको माइनस करके देखते हैं वहाँ पे हम उसको. सो जस्ट वी विल स्टार्ट बिकॉज रेशमा हैज़ टेकन 4 बोट्स, सो वी विल कट 4 बॉक्स here. 1 2 3 4. Now we can count the number of boards which is left. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 boards are left, so we'll write in the box 5. 5 paper board are left. Now question number 2. Kanta has 8 pens. कांता के पास 8 पेन्स हैं. शी गिव्स अवे 5 पेन्स. उसमें से उसने 5 पेन्स किसी को दे दिए. हाउ मैनी पेन्स आर लेफ्ट. अभी उसके पास कितने पेन्स बचे हैं. सो वी विल do in a backward manner, and we will minus the 5 pence from the 8 pence because total are 8. So we will start with minusing 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5 because she has given 5. Now we will count the left pence. So these are 1, 2 and 3. So we will write in the box 3 pence are left. इसके पास कितने पेंस बचे हैं अभी? 3 pence. Okay. Now question number 3. Harish has 7 toffees. हरीश के पास 7 टॉफ़ीज़ हैं. He gives 3 toffees to his mother. जिसमें से उसने 3 टॉफ़ीज़ क्या किया? अपने मदर को दे दिया. How many toffees are left? अब उसके पास कितनी टॉफ़ीज़ बची हैं? लेफ्ट मीन्स वही होता है कि कितनी बची हैं उसके पास. So just we will do. So they are total 7 toffees and we will take out 3 from them. So count 1, 2 and 3. Now we will count the left toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 4. So we'll write here 4. So 4 toffees are left. So exercise is done. So students, today we have learnt about subtraction facts. कि सब्ट्रैक्शन फैक्ट कैसे कैसे होते हैं, कौन कौन से होते हैं, आप किस किस नंबर से उसको माइनस करते हो तो आपका क्या आंसर आता है. 0 से करते हो तो क्या आंसर आएगा, आप नंबर से करते हो. सो हाउ यू कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर्स. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डू आवर न्यू टॉपिक. थैंक यू क्लास.